Hello guys, welcome. Today we are going to learn how to remove Nano Banana watermark from your image. So as soon as you generate your image using Nano Banana, the Nano Banana always gives you their logo here, their tagline. So I'm going to show you how you can remove this logo in seconds. So to do this, let's say you open your Gemini app. When you are done creating your image, click on the image like this, click on download. After downloading, open Perplexity app, okay, or you can use it on WhatsApp. If you need the WhatsApp number of Perplexity app, I can share with you. So you open on WhatsApp. This is my own. You enter the image. You just type, please remove the Nano Banana background. Then you click send. In seconds, let's wait and see. Okay, let's see what will happen. That's it. You see, there's no watermark again, no logo again. Thank you for watching. Please share this video if you find it helpful. Check this channel. There are similar helpful videos. Watch them.